So this is a tri-wing screwdriver. I believe the oldest models of the Game Boy use regular Phillips head, because one of them that I have is Phillips. But this one uses tri-wing screws.
Whoa.
Get all these screws out.
So, Daddy, so I talked to you about this
special, somewhere safe
before we got it. So this one's literally gonna be the one that's gonna be fun.
Screws on the inside are still Phillips. I need to remove this board so I can get access to the screen. Okay, there's 10 screws. I must have miscounted before. Can I remove this? Yeah, I can remove that ribbon cable. This comes right out now. I don't know what was holding it in. Maybe there's grime in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I've got the batteries in, I've got a game in, I've got it turned on, and now look at the logo. This one's actually not too bad. It's just the right side of the screen is broken. The other one was much worse that I fixed, and it took forever. So, the way to fix this, I need to take this rubber piece off. I don't want this music on.
Daddy, have you played yet?
No, we're not playing, we're fixing. We're gonna fix the screen.
And then I'm gonna play.
Probably not, because then it'll be dinner time. So I'm gonna just peel this rubber piece off. So I've gently pulled the rubber piece off, and now there's a bunch of little connections down here. Alright, so the right side of the screen needs to be fixed. I've got my soldering iron. Let's see if it's heated up yet. It looks like it needs, yeah, it's hot. Rub it along here, and it should. Might not be hot enough still. That's not doing a thing. Well on. I slowly am toggling them now that I got enough heat. You see that? So I need to get them to stay. And that is the battle, is getting the lines to stay when you bring them back. It was really hard on the other one that I fixed. It took a lot of patience, a lot of time. This one might actually go a lot faster.
Yeah.
That one you done for it, and I pay. That one we done for it, and I pay it.
Just try to move quickly. Just get it just right, and then move on. Making good progress. This is going really nice.
Yeah.
Looks like I have maybe 3 left. So we're going back and forth. Crank the contrast just to make it easier to see where those lines are.
Sit here now.
So I'm fixing the screen by resoldering it. As you can see, I did it for kind of long, and now there's a darker spot there, but that shouldn't be a problem. It will go away as it cools back down. There we are. I think I have the whole screen. Just that last line looks like it might be out. Maybe it's just a shadow. I think, okay, it's because there's no shadow. It's my angle. I got every line. Alright, that was actually really easy. It's not always this easy. Sometimes it takes a lot more work. I have a video here of when it took me a lot more work. It took me hours upon hours to get my other Game Boy screen fixed. But that Game Boy was in really good shape, so it was worth it. Anyways, don't forget to clean off your soldering iron when you're done with it. And then you can reassemble everything. Alright, now that everything's been put back together, it looks like it's working as expected. I don't see any dead lines anymore. That's good. I actually spent a lot more time cleaning this Game Boy than anything else.
Boxing.
Boxing. Very good.
This is what the game's called.
Anyways, that's all I've got for today.
But first, let's get a video.
If you found this useful, hit the thumbs up button. And to see more content like this, please subscribe.
Anyways, first let's play the game before we are done.